I was able to build out my cold email lead gen agency simply by scraping leads from Apollo and bringing them directly to Smart Lead. Now, how can you do this without an Apollo subscription? I'll show you exactly how. But first, let's go into Apollo and exactly how we can do this in here. So, when you're being able to build out your lead list, the first things you're going to want to know is the exact persona, the exact ICP that you're looking for. That consists of what the job titles are of the people you want to reach out to, what's the type of companies, if you want to be able to put in lookalikes, the location, employee type and size, as well as what industry, market segments, and any filters that you can be specific with about here. Now, if you don't know what those answers are, then you can simply type into ChatGPT. If you're a beginner, you can say, these are the skills that I know, and please find me exactly what companies would need my services. It will give you the exact companies, and then you can be able to even put in give me the exact company sizes that you want to reach out to, so on and so forth. Describe your offer as well as you can, and then be able to just simply define exactly what it is. You can even go into ChatGPT and say you're doing it on Apollo, and then be able to ask it to fill out what these exact filters are going to be. So once you have that, you're just going to simply want to go into here and then be able to fill this information out. And it'll just spit out right away the exact amount of people that there are in these areas that you're looking for within here. For the example is US, UK, and Canada. Everyone that fits within the criteria of what you're looking for. Now, this is simply just the best way to do it. An example of how you want to be able to make sure that you have the right leads is I would recommend just going straight to whether it's their website or anything that you can find exactly what the information is. So you can click on LinkedIn accounts here, X accounts here, or even just company websites through the LinkedIn's, where you can be able to look through the first 10 and make sure that you have the right ICP that you're looking for. Once you do that, then you're simply going to want to scrape the leads. Now, if you have an Apollo account, you can just very simply select all and go through here. As you can see, I don't even have an Apollo account. So what I can do is just go to the URL, copy it here, and then go to something like Ample Leads. Now there's Appify, there's Ample Leads, there's Boomerang, so on and so forth. Many different services where you can be able to do this. But as you can see, this is an Apollo scraper here. You buy credits for the certain amount that you want. As you can see, I'll show you in here that for even $29, you can get 11,000 credits and so on and so forth. You could buy one at a time, whatever you prefer. This is a very cheap way to be able to take leads. So from there, you're going to want to be able to go into here, the Apollo scraper, put in the URL. Let's see the exact number of leads that we're taking, which is 9755. You can be able to put that in here, 9755, and then type in whatever file name you want. Once you start scraping, it will come into the recent request of exactly what you're looking for, and then it will be queued until about 24 hours, and then it'll be completed. From there, you can be able to take the leads and then go into a Million Verifier. And then once you're inside Million Verifier, you're simply going to take the CSV and then drop it right into here. And it will load up in about 10-15 minutes, where it will give you the exact lead list that you're looking for. So for this example, this is the lead list that I built out, and this is what came up. So what you can do is download the good emails only, as well as the risky emails. So as you see here, Bounce Bank can verify all catch-all emails, which is exactly what we want to do here. So we're going to go right to the dashboard, and then we're going to go to bulk. You can see here, these are the risky ones that we put in. If you want to make a new task, simply take the catch-all emails and put it, or risky emails, and put it right into the CSV file here. And it'll do the same thing as Million Verifier and provide you a cleaned up list of exactly what leads. So now that you've cleaned up your leads, you'll want to put them into a smart lead or an instantly, and then be able to launch your campaign from there. So that's essentially just the scraping leads section of how to be able to do this for cold email generation. I have other videos on scripting as well as more of the process, so you can check that out in the following videos. So if this is something that you find interesting and you want to learn about how to make money online through lead generation, subscribe and check out the other videos.